We've never had such a great September, October in the history of our company. Every year, it's always been a downward slope into Christmas and New Year's. This is great. You've been awesome.
Hey, it's a team sport. You're easy to sell. It's an easy story to tell. You're good to your clients. You're doing what's right as far as getting five-star reviews,
Yep.
and you're saying yes to work and hiring in November. Way to go, buddy.
Yeah. Yeah. I am talk about being out of your comfort zone. I am like fully out of my comfort zone. Like this is not me. I'm like, we should not be hiring right now. My wife is going, you're nuts.
Right? Yeah,
She's totally,
it's super exciting though. It could not have happened to a nicer guy.
yeah, awesome. I appreciate it. And you know what? I'm glad I finally jumped in. You know, Katie and Josh, thankfully, they they were kind of, I don't know how to say it. They were the one that tried you out and then gave the review, right?
Yep.
So they were whatever you call that,
They were the pioneers.
the pioneers. There you go.
Yes. So
And
now
once
they're
they said you were good, I was like, I knew you were going to be all right. I probably should have done it 6 months earlier. You know what I mean?